Get funky, girl. Come on. Get funky. Yeah, come on.
Hello, flower shop owner. We have another beautiful, wonderful flower vending machine for you. This is our new flower vending machines. It's four-side transparent. So totally 32 lockers. It's locker in the fridge. Inside is acrylic lock flower, so it look great. So select a flower,
Please present your card or your
pay for
mobile
it.
phone. Authorizing. Thank you.
Okay, now we are free to get the flower. Wouldn't it nice? And this door will automatically close after purchase. If you want to get your flower shop operate 24/7, if you want to expand your flower business in low cost with vending machines, this one is a good option. So here you can put your logo. Contact us for a quote.